Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the Wistia video control panel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the Wistia video control panel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing VSLs, some parts of the video player you want to go ahead and remove so the viewers can't skip ahead in the video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and adjust the available controls to one of your videos, here on the left side, click on Content Library. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options at the top, and you want to click on Media. Once you click on Media, you're going to see all the videos you have in Wistia. So just scroll down until you see the video you want to adjust the controls for. So for example, this one, and just click on the video. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options at the top, and you want to click on this button here, Customize. Okay, once you click in there, you're going to be able to customize the controls by looking on this menu here to the left, click on Controls. Okay, so here are the various controls that you can adjust in your Wistia video. So generally, if you're running a VSL, you don't want them to be able to skip ahead. So that is going to be down here on the play bar. So we can just uncheck that. And as you can see, it disappears. But you can also play around with this. So you can have two play buttons. So they can click right here, or they can click right here. Or if you just want one of them, you can maybe uncheck the small play button. And as you can see, it just disappears from the menu options. So maybe you don't want captions. And as you see, it just kind of disappears. And you can go ahead and delete all of these if you want. Control visible on load. And then here you can go ahead and put it on A. So that way when the video loads, it's automatically going to start playing. And then once you have adjusted the controls, you want to go ahead and click on the save button here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up here at the bottom that it was saved, customization for your video controls. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to adjust your Wistia video controls in a particular video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.